Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Sony a6000 not charging. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel. If your Sony a6000 not charging, then here you will see people spread their opinion and solution regarding this. This is the solution. Turn camera off, plug in charger and wait for the orange light. When orange light come on, wait for it to turn off. If light has not turned off, congratulations, you are charging and no need to read on. If light has turned off, take out the battery while everything is connected and reinsert the battery. This is the solution. And here you will see when people says that, what if the orange light never turn on? So this is the solution of this problem. When the orange light never turns on. When people says that have not used my A6000 for a couple of months, try charging it by AC but the orange light is not turned on. Try to charge it and plug it on my laptop. The orange light turn on and it began charging. It try charging it back using AC and it work. So this is the solution of your problem. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.